everyone, it's Ashley, and today we're going to be doing a side swoop bang, kind of like long extended ponytail. I'm gonna have to follow a tutorial because I'm not used to working with my natural hair, and I don't really know how to like slick it down 100% myself. So yeah, we're gonna watch a YouTube video, follow that step by step. I'm going to link the video that I'm using down below, and we are going to be using African Mall hair. Thank you to African Mall for sponsoring this video. I'm probably going to use 22 and 24 inch if I need to use 2 bundles of hair. We'll see.
I'm going to start by deciding what side I want my swoop to be on and how deep I want my parting to be and where I want the parting to be as well. I'm just going to start by sectioning out the swoop area for the parting. So now that I've done that, I am just going to section off the parting, and I think like 2/3 of my hair. So I'm going to section off the parting and then follow that parting right down to my ear and then section that chunk off at the front. I'm then going to move over to the other side. So here I'm just sectioning off the other side. So I'm just going to take a rat tail comb and section right down to where my ear is and section off that front part. So right now we currently have 3 sections, one on the side, one on the top and one at the back.
I got this edge control. It's by Style Factor. It is their edge booster. It's the green packaging. I've never used it before, so obviously it's not open, but I did get it from Amazon. I saw some other like natural hair influencers and people that work with like extensions and stuff. Like I saw them using it and they had kind of similar hair as me. I definitely have like 4B, 4C, I think. So I'm going to put this on the back of my head, like the nape of my neck, and I'm gonna take this brush. Now I feel like this is, I don't want to offend anybody, but I feel like this is a black girl brush. Like this is definitely a brush that you use on your hair, on your natural hair, when you want to just like snatch it up. So I feel like this is gonna be like the base part of the ponytail. My biggest objective is just to make sure that the ponytail is like in the middle of my head. I feel like it's in the middle. Okay, so I'm gonna take this ponytail holder and I'm gonna wrap it around to secure this part of my hair. And it's pretty sleek, pretty secure. So she goes section by section on this side, adds a little bit of gel and then brushes it back. My hair is fine, so you know, I don't have a lot of like super thick hair to worry about. I'm still going to add like a little bit of gel to the sections of my hair, and I'm gonna like brush it back, and I'm just gonna do that for yeah, I guess I would say like 3 different sections, adding a little bit of this edge control and then brushing the hair back so that it's smooth, and then adding the edge control, and then I'm just gonna take my brush. I'm gonna take this section and like twist it up out of the way just for now so that I can really focus over here. Now that this is like slick and sleek, I can, if I wanted to, add another ponytail holder to secure this side, and I think that's what I want to do. I got some more elastics, so what we're gonna do, oh, and I brought my edge brush in here too, so it's about to get real cursive-y and squiggly. I'm a little scared of my hair reverting back in this area. It didn't revert back over here. It's actually still very sleek on this side, but this is a much bigger section, so I'm kind of scared, and I don't want this edge booster to like make my hair curl up a little bit. So hopefully we don't have to experience that, because I don't know what to do. I mean, I'll just keep going, but I don't really know like how to handle that. Just adding a little bit of edge control where my part is so that the hair looks really sleek and slick right there. Okay, I feel like we're getting somewhere. I think I'm gonna stop here on this part so that I can like work on this part over here. I gotta watch the video. Dang it, I gotta watch the video. This side, like, perfection. This swoop is hard.
So I'm just going to section the swoop into two and then start working on the bottom section. And again, like we did for the rest of the hair, just section that section off into smaller sections and just put some gel on there and comb.
Oh, okay. So she sectioned this part into two parts. So this would be one part, this would be the second part. And so she like took bits of this part, like gelled it and like brushed it back. I've sectioned off the part that's not gonna be swooped. So all that's left is what's gonna be swooped. I'm gonna put an elastic band on the part that is not swooped just to make sure I can keep the sleek look of this hairstyle. Okay, Ashley, I feel like you made it a little bit easier for yourself, girl. Ooh, yes, sir. Now this is what I'm talking about. There you go, Ashley. You gotta mold it like it's one big baby hair. I haven't finished the swoop completely, but I am going to put another elastic around my ponytail. I want to keep it sleek, y'all. I want to keep it really sleek. And now that I have that part like secured, I can go in with a little bit of edge control and sleek this last bit down. Oh snap, oh snap, what did I do? What did I do? What did I do? I just want this part to sleek, like this part. It sleeks so easily. Okay, y'all, I feel like this is as swoopy and sleeky as I'm gonna get it. I wanted it to swoop more, but I feel like if it swooped more, it was just gonna be like really difficult for me to get it secured. Let me put this elastic around it. Wait, let me use the edge control to create at least like a few edge swoops. Okay, so there's like one edge swoop for sure, and then there's like another just like little edge swoop. But yeah, I just wanted it to be something slight, nothing major, just something that added a little razzle dazzle on this side. We got the swoopity swoop swoop swoop. So now I have to braid my ponytail. I'm gonna spray a little bit of Got To Be on this swoopy swoop area because I worked really hard on this swoop, y'all. I worked super hard. Y'all saw me, how hard I was working. Put my blood, sweat, tears, farts into this. So I gotta make sure that it stays. I'm not sure if I should keep it double wefted or if I should like draw the hair out so that it's like a single weft. I don't know what to do. Did she use 2 bundles? Yes. Now she did use like a pony, like she took a little piece of the bundle, used a ponytail holder to like secure it to her natural hair. I don't personally have any more elastics, but I do have a rubber band on this bundle, so I'm gonna use that. I don't know how the girls do this. Y'all are magicians, I swear. Okay, I feel like I kind of got it. I can put a bobby pin on the weft, okay? And then slide that bobby pin down into my hair. I feel like I'm doing okay. I'm getting the hang of it. The weft is like twisting like crazy though. The weft is all twisted up and I'm trying to like untwist it as I wrap it. Oh y'all, I'm getting the hang of it. Okay, okay. Phew. All right, so here's the length of the ponytail. It comes down to my hip for right now. I'm gonna take another bobby pin and slide it in there where the weft stopped. So this is what I have so far. Now I'm gonna go in with the 24-inch. So for this bundle, I think I'm gonna keep it double wefted. But do you see how like silky smooth? Silky smooth. This hair is so silky. I'm gonna take another bobby pin and I'm just gonna make sure I really slide it into my braid and just start wrapping the double wefts. This part is a little difficult, but the good news is I'm almost at the top of my ponytail, of my natural hair, like braided ponytail, so I don't have to do this for too much longer, this double weft wrap. Okay, I'm like right at the base. Okay guys, so I am done with my hair. I went ahead and plugged in my microphone so you guys could hear me because I turned the AC on and it's kind of creaking and cracking and rattling and we don't want that. So here's what it looks like, the finished product. I tried to do the little wrap around thing, but I can't see. I feel like it doesn't look all that good. But the ponytail itself, I think that looks really great. I ended up using the whole 2 bundles. I just kept that last bundle double wefted and then just wrapped it all the way around and then did the hair wrap around thing. Hopefully you guys liked this like sleek side swoop ponytail tutorial. This is something new. I haven't really done this before, so I'm really trying to step out of my box and do like new stuff. Okay, one thing that I feel like we all can agree on, I'm gonna agree with you guys this time. I feel like this look would look really good if I wore earrings. Okay, I'm admitting it. I feel like this style would look really good if I wore earrings. You got me. This is so cute. So if you like this hairstyle, if you like this hair tutorial, give my a big thumbs up. Give this video a thumbs up off the strength that I worked with my natural hair alone. And comment down below, let me know what other styles you would like me to do, but don't get crazy. What other like wig styles you would like me to do, or like hairstyles you would like me to do, you know, like this, like this, like that, like so, like this. So yeah, that is it for this video. Thank you again to African Mall for providing this lovely, beautiful hair. All of the information about this hair will be in the description box down below. Make sure you go down there and click through those links because I'm telling you, y'all, this is some really good hair. Like, it is so sleek and so silky smooth. Like, girl. But yeah, that's it, and until next time, stay beautiful. I love you guys. Bye. Mwah.